comes, I'm like, what I'll do is I'll bring up my gun too, but I won't put it over in case I say if you miss, then I'll try to shoot him. You know what I mean? If that time comes out and he stays all up on her and you take a shot in the face, I'm gonna shoot. Okay? Nothing's coming behind him to the property by himself. Are you getting excited? Not yet. Oh, he's coming right to us. No, he's coming. Yeah, I know, but when he gets up over here, he'll get excited. Yes, boy. Oh, that just got me going. Maybe cover your forehead a little bit. Hey, you might want to maybe cover it. There you go. Oh, he's got a nice man. He's beautiful. And he's coming right in. Oh, I think there's another top over there on the edge. Wait until it gets right up on the edge. When I say go ahead, shoot, then shoot. He'll come out in front of us. He's on a mission right now. Oh yeah, he's got a big beard. And what we'll do is we'll leave him on the ground. Slap him because he might get everything out. You see him? Oh yeah, just let him go. Wait, let him know it's real. Let him get up to the decoy. Just wait. I'm gonna see him. Oh, he's gonna be alone. No, wait. Go ahead. Yes! Just leave him. You got her, man. He beat my decoy up. He beat up the B-Mobile. He beat the B-Mobile up, dude. Nice. Big bird down, boy. That's the B-Mobile there for you. You kicked the shit right out of him. That's cool. That's the first time I got it on video. Sweet. And look at those hens are still over there wondering what the hell is going on. So what'd you think? I mean, damn, this sucker's he come up. Shit out of that decoy. Oh, I love it, man. Oh, he just comes straight in and he just wanted, I don't know, he was pissed at that decoy, dude. Yeah, he was mad. And then all of a sudden, pow! You took him over. I'm like, I thought you were going to shoot him before he did that. I'm like, oh, you told me to wait, so I did. There's two over here. Well, look at that monster, man. The B-Mobile that I had to go get a steak for. Couple hens, the double bull, and then might as well show the beards. And go ahead and lay him down. Damn, that's a big head. 2 beards. Damn, those suckers are huge. One shot. Holy crap, look at that fat head. It looks like it's all. Huh? That's huge. Yeah, it is. Take a look at his head there. Whoa. Yeah. Let's check his spurs. See if I can get a shot of them. Okay, they're right there. Dang, those things are long. Whew. Your first time?
Yeah.
Sweet. We had a freaking field full of them. No, they're all gone. Yeah, spooked them, damn it. Oh well. Hey, it was worth it. You beat up the Beam Mobiles. Got that on film. So.
Yeah, but I wanted you to get one too.
Man, it's only 8 o'clock. We got a lot of time yet.
Yeah,
well, we might as well.
Thanks for that.
That's all right. I'll just run somewhere and get one. I got steaks at home too, so I can always run and get a steak and then maybe go somewhere. All right. See you guys later. Bye.